Hey, what's up? Andre Miller here with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to make money online, and you can bring in $100 per day. I know there's a lot of people out there that are trying to find, they're searching YouTube and they're just trying to find a way how they can get out and trying to find a way how to make money. Now, if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to share with you this method that you can use and you can run with it right away. Now, most people, they get all this information and they do absolutely nothing. There's a small percentage of people that will take action immediately after watching this video. Some of you will watch it and be like, all right, and some of you won't. It's just human nature. But I'm just going to keep creating these videos for you so that way you can go out there and you can crush it. So best way to make $100 per day. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to show you the best method that you can use to create mini videos, because we're going to create mini videos and we're going to place those videos on different social media platforms. And I'm going to share with you a Facebook method that you can use where you could start to crush it. The good thing about this method, it is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can apply what I'm going to share with you. And the good thing, it requires no experience. So it doesn't matter if you're tech savvy or not, it just requires you to think a little bit, and I'm going to show you ways how you can do that. So what you're going to be getting as well, if you stay all the way to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus where you can create the videos and where you can find the offers that convert. And the good thing, I'm going to show you how you can crush your competition, because there's a lot of people just going out there and they're start marketing, but they don't have the skill set and they don't know what to do. So I'm going to share with you how this method works. Now, the first thing that you have to do in order for you to make $100 per day is you have to go over to Clickbank. For this particular video, I'm going to use Clickbank. There's a lot of different networks. There's a lot of different websites that you can use. But for the sake of this video, Clickbank is what I'm going to use. So I've realized that this niche is a very hot niche. I'm talking about, it's on Clickbank, it's home and garden, but it's animal and pets. People love animals. People love animals, and also people like to travel. The travel niche and also the animal niche is what's crushing it out there. So for this video as well, you can check out the travel niche here in Clickbank, and you can see which one you want to go out there and you can use. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the animal care and pets. So with animal care and pets, the reason why, because if you look here, there's over 45 of these sold this week. So 45 different vendors go out there and sold this particular product. So this one is Doggy Dan's online dog training. There's lots of people out there just want to, advertise. A lot of people go on out there right now and try to find ways how they can get their dog trained. So this person create a video and they create a program which teaches people how to train their dog from the comfort of their home. And this one is brain training for dogs. This one is like $31 per sale if you get it. And cat spray no more, brand new. And this is like $23 per sale. For this one, 24, same thing. Secrets to dog training is 33. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna see this one. We're gonna go with the higher percentage, because if we're gonna do this, we're shooting at least $100 per day. So that's why I'm showing you this method. So you're gonna come over here. The first thing you wanna do, you always wanna look at the offer. That's the first thing you wanna do. You wanna check out the offer. You wanna see what it looks like. There's a person, I think this is probably Dan. And you just get a little bit of information from here. Read through it, see how it works. There's videos down here. There's a 4-minute video that you can watch, see what people are saying about Dan's program. And then you will have a much more idea of how we're gonna use the information on here to create the miniature video. So once you figure out exactly what you're gonna do, the software that I'm gonna share with you how you can make miniature videos is wave.video. So wave.video, you can come on here, the content on here is absolutely free. Of course, if you want to pay for some other stuff, you can do the payment. So you can sign up for free. You can start from scratch. So if you click on the start from scratch area, it's just going to take you over into the video section. So here's the video section that there's technology, there's background, there's fitness. Let me just minimize this down for a little bit. And there's animals. So animals right here, we want to create animal videos. So I would click on the animal section. Now they have a lot of free templates that you can use. And they also have, excuse me, free sound effects. This is like a 12-second clip, right? Let me see, let me just scroll down here. So you can just type in and you could search for dogs. So we're looking for dogs. Here are some videos for dogs. And of course, you want to get the cute dogs, the one that people have seen, they're like, wow, you know, they're going to click on this video. Now, this is a cute little doggy. This is a 15-second. So I'm going to click on the preview so we can see it. Let's see what we have here. Cutest little thing. So a puppy is there. And you could get that, or you can get a dog that is moving, more active. So it grabs the customer's attention. So once you do that, let's say we're going to find, let's go with this one. Doggy in the water, right? No doggy in the water. Click on this. And then you click add. Excuse me. Click on add. Once you click on add, it's going to take you over here. Now, this is how we're going to create the videos. There's YouTube ones, there's Facebook, there's Instagram story, and there's IG. You can also create IG story as well if you want to do that. Now for Facebook, because we're going to use Facebook, you can type in your message here. So what I would do, I would have a long running ad. So let me, this is regular, let me put this down to 80, right? And I'll be like, isn't this the cutest thing ever? Just to grab their attention. Once I do that, what I'll do is I'll just play, isn't this the cutest thing ever? And then what I would do, I would stop it right there. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? I would add another text. Let me add another text here. Add, nope, not here. Right, there we go. I was trying to find it. I was playing with it earlier. So we'll put, isn't this the cutest thing you've seen? And we can add, okay, I like the red. Hang on 1 second here. All right, so we're gonna add this on here, and then we can add another text just by clicking down here. This is another text that we can move, and then we can put it at the top. One at the top, one at the bottom. And then I would write, how would you like to train your dog at home? So I'll do that. So let me go on here. So we'll start from the top. We're just gonna play it and see what it looks like so far. So you see that? Pretty cute. How would you like to? Nice, 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 nice. All right, so scroll all the way down. Look at this. Sweet. So add another text. So the other text, no. Add another text. Click the link in the description. So this is just to show what's possible. Of course, you're gonna spice it up, but for the sake of this video, I'm just making it like that. So of course, the customer, would you like to train your dog at home? And then what I would do, I would hop back over here to Dan and see what he has to offer. So I would just come down here and see some of what the customers are saying, because you can even input some of the customers' things as well. All right, dog training courses. So you can even copy that, you can use it. But for this, click the link in the description. That's what I'm gonna do. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? How would you like to train your dog at home? And then you can put something in the middle there. Click the link in the description. You can even add a graphic and throw it on here. Oops. Right here. Oops. I'll throw some graphics, make it colorful. You can even put a doggy on there as well. You can even put Facebook. You know, so you make it very attractive. Once you make it very attractive, of course, the customers are going to want to click on it. They're going to see it. And then once you create that, all you got to do is just download it, download the video. And then when you download the video, this is where I'm going to show you how to put it up on here. So you come down here, and what you do, you want to put it on this thing. So you want to create a Facebook page. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, just make sure you have a Facebook account, and then you click on here where it says create Facebook page, create one. And then once you create one, you're going to take that video, you're going to put it right here, and then you're going to write something like this. How would you like to train your dog at home? Best trainer ever. Want to learn how? And then you would put click the link. You can put click the link. What you do, hang on 1 second, let me just back up, click the link. You grab this affiliate link from, so you would get your affiliate link. So when you click on promote, once you click on promote, you grab your affiliate link. Okay, so this person is trying to get permission. You got to get permission to do this. But you get the idea of exactly what I'm talking about. You just click on here to promote it. And then once you get accepted or any one of these, but for this one, this is something that you want to do. And in order for you to get approved, you could say, hey, I have some Raven fans that really want to, you know, I think this will be something that they would like. And then they will just approve you right away. You know, that's it. And then once you do that, you're going to grab that link, and then you're going to put the link here. Then you're going to add the video. Then you're going to click on this. Once you do click on it, the next thing you have to do is you can start to promote it. And if you want to learn how to promote these things on Facebook, what you're going to have to do, I'm going to put a card up here or probably on the end screen, and you're going to watch my Facebook training that shows you exactly how it works and how you can get conversion ads. It's the same ad that I use with this same method. I just don't want to go into too much of the Facebook ad training on this video because I've already created over a 20-minute video with Facebook ads. So make sure you check that out, and it will help you with conversion, and you can start bringing in $100 per day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, give me some love. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. So this was best way how to make money online, $100 per day. Peace.